How to use map method in JavaScript. So you see that we're having an array of numbers, and let's say you want to create an output array which would be having the square of all the numbers. So how we can do that? So I'll do numbers.map, which is an inbuilt method which receives a callback. So let's define the callback of a function cv, and this callback will take three parameters. The first one would be the individual value itself, the second one would be the index, and the third one would be the actual array. Now here what I want to do, I want to return the square of that corresponding value. So I'll say return value into value. And if we provide that callback into the map function, then this map function will return the output. So I can say const output equals to this. Let's say we print the value, so console.log and output. And if you run the function, so you see it's giving the output.